So excited, I never show you the box. So, I don't know the brand name. Vihi. Michael Jackson. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all probably wondering why I have all this makeup on. Usually I don't have makeup on in my videos unless like it's a big day or unless I'm doing a video makeup. But I just want to say shout out to myself because I did my makeup and I did my hair by myself. Yes, I'm pressed because I usually don't do that well of a job, and I really did a good job. Like, I'm feeling myself. Anyway, anywho, y'all know what this video is about. If you read the description, if you didn't, why'd you click on the video? Maybe it's because of my face. Anyway, but today I'm going to show you guys a couple of Amazon must-haves that I think are must-haves, and I certainly think that you think it will be must-haves too, because yeah, why not? Like, I feel like everybody needs these in their life. Even if I'm the type of person, I collect things that I don't really necessarily need, but I can guarantee you that you'll need these at some point in your life. Maybe every day, because I pretty much use these tools every day, okay? If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and leave a few comments down below. Don't be shy. I love talking to you guys. I like knowing what you like and, you know, engaging so I can post more of what you like. So first up on the list is this 5-in-1 beauty care massager. I don't know why they gave it this care massager stupid name, but honestly, this was pretty cheap. I got it off of Amazon. I don't know why I'm saying that. Obviously, I got it off of Amazon. Anyway, okay, let me start over. So, this this spin brush, I got it about a month or two. It's probably like a month and a half ago. I used to use the one that I just had to do it myself, which it wasn't a problem. I'm not lazy, but this takes the cake. I really enjoy using this. It comes with two of these additional things, and this comes off the brush. It comes off of here, and it goes pretty fast. Let me put that back in there and show you guys. And I'm gonna just insert a little clip of me using it. So I use this every day and night to wash my face. They have this sponge also. I never used this. This came in a pack. I haven't used that yet. And then whatever this is. Let me see. Let me not give y'all a shitty review. This is a polish accessory. And oh, you can use this on your feet. So this is for like if you have tough heels. It polishes your heels. That's good to know. I haven't used any of those yet. I pretty much just stick to the brush when I wash my face, but 10 out of 10. Up next, this is probably the best investment that I've made this year, okay? And I know the year just started. So I went to the dentist, and I usually just use like the string floss, and my dentist, well, the hygienist, it wasn't the doctor at the time, it was just the hygienist. She was like, the best investment and she's black, by the way. She said the best investment that I ever got was the water pick. And I'm like, oh, okay, I heard of that. I just never got around to getting it, you know. This is the best investment, and this one is actually Fairy Wheel. It's a pretty good company. It was about, I want to say $38 when I bought it. I got it on sale though, so I got it for about $35. And I put Listerine in here sometime, or just like lukewarm water. I never put ice cold or like boiling hot water in here. The best investment ever, okay? Ever. Better than, I still use the string floss sometimes if I have like food stuck in my teeth and I need to do some heavy cleaning. But this daily, twice a day, gets the job done. Next. Okay, so I was really excited about this one. Because I used to have a steamer and it broke. I used to have a steamer when I was styling, and that was like my best friend, you know, when I would go to shoots and stuff, or I would just bring my handy dandy little iron. But you know, who wants to take an iron around, or even, you know, some fabric is too nice for an iron, honestly. You have to use a steamer. But I was really excited. Sorry, y'all. I was really excited to get this because it was on my list of cheap things. I was excited and also nervous because, you know, some things you get what you pay for. But I promise y'all, all of these things were under $50. Some under 10, some under 20. Like, these list of things were really, really cheap and great quality. Like, I love Amazon forever for that. Also, I have Amazon Prime, so y'all know it was on my doorstep the next day. Anyway, so I got this steamer, and I usually just keep the brush on there just because I like using it. And I'll insert a clip of me using this as well. So you just put the water in this cup like you do an iron, and you fill it up to the line. Boom, it heats up in like 30 seconds. I'm not even lying. And it gets really hot. So far, 10 out of 10. I absolutely love it. So, this one, should I say this to last? No, because y'all might miss it. Y'all don't be keeping, you know what? Stay tuned to the end of the video. You know, in my analytics, it tells me y'all don't stay tuned to the end of the video. Also, about 38% of you guys aren't subscribed to me. I am appalled. I feel bamboozled. I'm putting out the best quality and y'all not hitting that subscribe button. Where's the disconnect? Honestly, where is it? Anyway, I was gonna save this for last, but I'm gonna give y'all a little treat in the middle of the video. For my candle lovers, once you go electric, you'll never go back, okay? I'm just dropping this shit because I don't even care. Once you go electric, you'll never go back. Okay, so I have my champagne toast from Bath and Body Works. Best scent there is, okay? Other than the stress relief line, this champagne toast is where it's at. So it looks like this. Oh, so excited, I never showed you the box. So I don't know the brand name. Michael Jackson. So it came in this box with the instructions on the back. I didn't really need the instructions. I was so pressed that I just, you know. So cut it on. And you press this power button to light it. How lit is that? It has a little flashlight on too, just in case your lights go out. I guess that will come in handy. But let me just show y'all really quick, okay? Oh shoot. The noise it makes is pretty annoying, but this don't lights and like, oh, look at me about this. Okay, so I know they always say, I burnt this candle before, but they always say cut the wick a little bit before you burn it again because of the like knots. They sometimes explode. But how lit is that? Wait till this calm down a little bit. Set my lashes on fire. But this is lit. Like, this is probably one of the, if not my favorite on the list, this is definitely top 2, not number 2. I'm just gonna keep that burning because that smells good. The good thing about it is they have this button, this little switch that you could turn it off. So if you have it in a bag or something, you're not accidentally cutting it on and off in your bag. Okay, next. I want to start vlogging more, so I did get a GoPro. Shout out to my boyfriend. He got me a GoPro for Christmas. And I needed a gimbal. So I got this gimbal. It was pretty cheap, and y'all, let me say it was affordable, because cheap, you know, sometimes people misconstrue what I mean by cheap. And it's not cheap quality. It's affordable price, great quality, okay? And it comes with a little remote, so if you want to like stand it up and take selfies, great. The remote is inside of here, and this is the little charger. This, I've vlogged a couple of times with it. One thing I can say, when it dies, it's so unexpected, and then the phone would just like spin on here. That's kind of annoying, but it has a pretty good life. And to my defense, I don't charge it as often as I should, but I've had this for about 2.5 months now, and I've only charged it twice. It like, the life is really good. So you cut this on, and this is where it Bluetooths into whatever device you're using, and this is where you could take pictures. This button here. These are which way you want to rotate this up here. This is where the charger goes, and this is the button to cut this. This is, okay, what the hell? I think you gotta hold it. Yeah, so this is where you cut, that button is where you cut this on. And this stabilization is amazing. Like, when I do room remodels and I show you guys the room, like I have a few videos coming up. And make sure you check out my playlist with my DIYs of interior design and all that. I do want to post more content. That's what I do for a living, and sometimes it gets so hectic that I can't get the footage for you guys, but no excuses. 2021, I'm getting the footage and I'm getting the content for you guys. But yeah, the stabilization is really good. When I record rooms, like, it looks like a professional filmed it. It doesn't matter how tired I am coming up the steps, the camera will not shake and move. Like, it won't. This is it moves with you. This light is blinking right now to let me know my device is near. It's right here. I'm actually filming on my phone. If I was to stop this video and try to take pictures, or if I was to press this button, it will actually stop the video. I'm not gonna do it, but it's pretty nice. And I thought it was gonna have an issue like with the stabilization or even Bluetooth into my phone, but no complaints. 10 out of 10. Definitely need this. So this is how you know it's off, when you could like do this freely, and then you just fold it back down. Very easy to take on the go. Doesn't take much space. Just throw it in your car, book bag, purse, whatever. Okay, next. I do a lot of hanging pictures and stuff, and I don't know if you guys are familiar with those levels that are self-leveling, and they have the like laser point, and it'll put a grid on the wall for you to let you know like how far apart something is, and like if it's leveled. Say if you're hanging up multiple pictures, like usually they had those on Amazon for like $170 something, $200, and I found one at Home Depot that was like $175 or $179, one of those. But I needed a simple like level with the, cause I kind of like doing a little old school bubble, but it also has a laser. I didn't even peep that when I was buying it. I'm definitely gonna need this. I used it on 2 projects already, but it was a simple like picture. When I'm doing wall paneling or any type of, you know, more than one thing on the wall, this will definitely come in handy. I just want to show you guys. It actually has a laser level on here, and no matter which way I turn it, I still have the old school bubbles to let me know, you know, if this is even level on whatever surface I have it on. So it's definitely lit. Also, I didn't peep this actually until my second time using it. It has a measuring tape on it. How convenient is that? Like, amazing. Coming up last on the list, but certainly not least, because if this isn't number 2, it is number 2. It's number 2 on the list as one of my favorites, because I already told y'all that electric candle lighter is number 1, so I'm not going back on that. But most of these can be used, like I said, for daily, you know, day-to-day living, depending on what you do. But this is for my interior designers who are having trouble with their pricing structures. Okay, so most interior designers want to charge a flat fee, or they'll charge per square footage. For me, I wanted to start, I charge a flat fee and it goes up depending on what you need in the design and what I'm doing specifically for you. But I want to get into charging per square footage and, you know, the size of the room. That's where the money really is. And also that's where you can optimize and really give the best design advice to your clients when you know the exact square footage and the structure and the foundations of the room. Okay, so this pen laser distance measure with a clip. I just call it my laser measuring tool or whatever. It is amazing. It's amazing, guys. So this is how you cut it on. Boop. You hold it. Oh, 5 feet 2 inches. That's the last thing that I measured. But you can change. It has a converter on here, so you can change the units. Also, if you press this again, the laser is pointing this way. So whatever's in its distance, whatever is stopping the laser, is where the measurement will stop. I'm moving it around right now, and wherever the laser is stopping is where, you know, the measurement will stop. This has been my best friend. I don't really use it to measure windows because it's a little different. It's a little difficult with the laser because you would have to stop it. And if I'm measuring a floor to ceiling windows, I have to, you know, account for how long this is. So I would say use this for when you're, let me cut the laser off. Jesus, I'm blinding y'all. I would say use it for when you want to take the measurement or the distance of a room. But when it comes to, you know, the size of a bed or the measurement of a window frame, I would say stick to your standard measuring tape. But this has been my best friend with getting the square footage of rooms. Amazing. So that concludes my Amazon must-haves that you didn't know that you needed. And now that you know, the links are in the description below. Go get it and let me know what you guys think about it. I promise you, I'm not sizing it. This isn't paid, of course. Like these vendors didn't pay me to say any of this. This is genuinely coming from, I use these items every day, whether it's in my daily schedule or at work. I hope you guys like this video. I hope that you would like more content like this, because I'm literally on Amazon all the time. And if y'all want me to, I'll keep doing my Amazon dumps. Like, I buy so much off of Amazon. I feel like, you know, one of those TikTokers that I pretty much have the key to how to shop on Amazon and what to shop for. You didn't know you needed it until you watched this video. Go tell a friend to tell a friend. And make sure you tell that friend to subscribe to me as well. Thank you guys for tuning in. As always, it's been great. Don't forget to comment and give me a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.